Once upon a time, in a small village nestled under a sky full of stars, there lived a curious little girl named Luna.
Where the tall trees sway.
Luna loved stargazing and dreamed of one day touching the stars.
Met a bluebird one day.
One evening, while exploring her grandmother's attic,
In feathers of sky. A cute
she discovered an old wooden box with a shimmering key inside. The key sparkled like the night sky.
fox and a bluebird.
Grandmother explained, "This is the starry key.
Of wild and free spirits.
It unlocks the gate of wishes,
Through the brambles and the breeze.
hidden deep in the enchanted forest. But remember, only a pure heart can find the gate."
And a bluebird in a story divine.
Excited, Luna embarked on her adventure with her faithful dog, Mac.
Where do you roam?
They ventured through the whispering woods, crossed the silver stream, and climbed the twinkling hill,
Home. The birds sang.
where fireflies lit the way.
Follow the sun.
After many challenges and helping some forest creatures along the way, Luna found the Gate of Wishes.
Oh, fox and the bluebird.
Using the starry key, she opened it, and a magical portal appeared, leading to a sky filled with glowing stars.
Through the brambles and the breeze they're passing.
A kind star guardian greeted her. "You have proven your heart is pure. What is your wish?"
In a story divine.
Luna whispered her wish. "I want to bring a little starlight back to my village so everyone can dream big."
The skies, they found common ground.
The star guardian granted her wish, and Luna returned home with a magical star lamp.
Secret streams and a promised land.
That lit the village every night, inspiring hope and wonder in everyone.
Forests glade. Seasons change.